What up, and welcome. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. Why I don't advise beginners to use code editors. When I started coding, obviously I have jumped into Visual Studio Code as an editor, trying to learn and master CSS without winning. So the result were terrible. The reason was simply because code editors come with some certain functionalities like code snippet and also arranging your code. So those code snippet, they are defeating the purpose of you learning the syntax of JavaScript or CSS, because every time you type a line, the code editor will finish that line for you and give you a lot of options to choose from. This means that as much as your productivity speeds up, but your learning of the syntax slows down. So for me and my own experience, I will never advise a beginner to use a code editor. The best thing you can do, and it worked for me, is to use Notepad. It will help you to master and understand the syntax of the language that you are trying to learn. Otherwise, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.